Today, we're going to be talking about Smart's website. We're going to be looking at a lot of the resources that you can find on Smart's website. It's a really good tool to find all sorts of things related to Smart. It's a great idea to check back at the Smart website on a regular basis to see what's happening, because there's a bunch of things there that's updated very often. SmartUniversity.org is our website, and you will come to our landing page. You may well see many familiar faces. If you go on the front page, you'll see some pictures from our past events. The front page is a good place to see what's new. We have information about our BRAVE program, outreach around vaccine equity. Keep scrolling down and you'll see the information about our Food for Life program. I want to show you how to access the recipes associated with that. And you'll also see the flyer for our schedule. This is for fall, but this gets updated each trimester, so you can come and check on this. We have graduation from last year, and then information about downloading our brochure and our Smart Live videos, which we'll look at. You can click on it from here, but I'll show you another way to access these as well. So all sorts of information on the front page that gets updated on a regular basis. Our anniversary video, always check back there. I want to go up to the top and look at some of the menus up here to show you just what you can access from the website. I want to look at the art kit resources that are on the website that you may or may not know about. You have access here to all the patterns, all the instructions, the videos, video instructions as well. So let me show you how to get to that. So if you go to programs, you're going to come down here to Smart Art. And if you click on that, you'll see an explanation of the art program, some information about the at-home art projects. And then you will see the pattern instructions and tutorial video for almost 30 art projects in here now. So if you still have art projects that you haven't done, or you want to go back and get the instructions, or you need a new copy of the pattern or anything like that, this is the spot. Let me just show you the tutorial video. So a video giving the instructions on there. You can download the pattern. The pattern is in your art kit. If you need another copy of it, you can get it from here. And then the instructions, which are now shared just online. So you can go on here. Whenever I do the art kit, I go on here and keep my computer open to the instructions the whole time. So I make sure I'm following along with the parts that I need to see. All the art projects are on there. But that's a really good resource for doing your art kit. And again, if you have ones that you haven't done, just scroll down. You'll find the instructions, the tutorial video, and the pattern for all the at-home art kits over the years. It's pretty amazing. So again, that's under program and Smart Art. I mentioned the recipes that go with our Food for Life project. That's a project that we're doing that's specifically for people who have been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes or are pre-diabetic. Let me click on this. This is the Food for Life project. You see our lovely graphic here, some information about the program. And these are all diabetic-friendly foods. If you keep scrolling down, we've had a couple of in-person classes, some beautiful pictures of the food. But if you keep going here, we have a updating list of recipes that we've prepared at these classes. This is a great way to access them. These are all specifically designed to be beneficial to people who have type 2 diabetes or are pre-diabetic, but they're just delicious for everybody. So I encourage you to check these out. So if you click on one of these, you'll see this lovely recipe that you can use from your computer or you can print out. Right now we have 4 of those up, but there will be more in the future. We have the vegetable and barley soup, sumac chicken, sweet potatoes and beets with tzatziki, and the apple pecan and walnut salad, which is really delicious. So I encourage you to check these out. You can also watch Ariel's video about type 2 diabetes. These are Sam's recipes. Sam has made all these recipes, which is awesome. All the things that you see in culinary and all the things that are here are Sam's recipes. So thank you for that, Sam. Again, you'll see this is the one for the sweet potatoes and beets, which is also delicious. So the type 2 diabetes class. And then as it says, please check back often to follow the progress of this unique project. So there will be more as the project progresses. Please do keep checking on that, and you can get more recipes from there and more information about type 2 diabetes. And then I wanted to show you our Smart Live section. This is an easy way for you to get to all our past videos of classes. Any video that's from a prior trimester will be here. I'll show you how to get to the ones that are the most recent ones from this trimester as well through the YouTube channel. But if you're looking for ones from last trimester or the trimester before, you can go here. So you see all the culinary workshop videos from there. You can just click on one of these. You want to make it full screen, you can click on that full screen button. Tech Talk, so you can see the Tech Talk videos from last trimester. You can click on any of those, and then you can see the university videos as well. So this is a great place to go if you want to watch any of these. And then again, this is the trimester before, so keep scrolling down and you can find whatever it is you're looking for here if it was from a prior trimester. I encourage you, if you haven't yet, to visit one of our Brave outreach tables. There's some information on here about this. Some of our outreach teams doing tabling events. And thank you to our outreach teams for all your hard work. You're doing amazing things. And then you can come down here to community conversations. There's a link to Facebook Live for when it's actually happening, but also there's a link here where you can see all of our community conversation videos through our YouTube page. We seem to be up to 34 on here, which is kind of amazing. So on all the topics that we've had community conversations, you can come back and watch these videos. I encourage you to do that and share those with anybody who may need that information that you know. These are also all of our handouts and palm cards and messaging for Brave. So if you need any information on respiratory illness, this is a great place to go, and in multiple languages as well. See, you can see the Spanish and Chinese under these things. So this is where all of those sort of stay. And the long COVID resource list as well, the long COVID clinic, you can download that from here. And this is all clickable links. So you can go to all of these different sites directly from this PDF. And then at the bottom, you see a link to all of our social media. So if you want to go directly to our YouTube page to look for recent videos, you can click on that one that looks like the YouTube thing with the little play button in it. And you will see our YouTube page with all of our most recent things. Thank you to Christina for editing. You can look at it also by playlist. So if you want to click on playlist, you can look at community conversations, you can look at smart art projects, smart university. So there's a lot of different ways to access these videos, but the most recent one will eventually be posted on the website. But if you're looking for something that was from this week or this trimester, check out the YouTube page. And then we're going to go back to the website and scroll all the way up, and we're going to go to events. And if you go to upcoming events, this is really helpful too. We have a lovely, well-populated calendar of all the events that we have going on throughout the month. And then you can go to the next month as well by hitting this arrow. So you'll see that we have all of our classes on here, all of our outreach events. And if you hover over any of these, you'll see the information about them. So this is for Smart and Brave Outreach. It tells you about when the tabling event is. But then let's look at, this has Tech Talk and Culinary. There's a link to the Facebook page. So if you're ever wondering what's coming up or when the trimester starts or what classes are on what days, this is a great place to look. So remember, come to the website and go to events and go to upcoming events. You can hover over any of these and see the additional information about them. There's many other things on here as well. I encourage you to look at, just to browse around. Again, lots of good information on here.